Everybody's talking about the pineapple trick that's making men harder, stronger, and last longer, and the best part? It's 100% natural. At first, I thought it was just another internet myth, until I met someone who proved otherwise. I was on a trip when I met this guy. He was super chill, but honestly, I wasn't expecting much because of his age. But guys, the next day, I could barely walk. Seriously. This man was 53, and I had to beg him to stop. He made me get there 7 times. I was completely drained, and he still had energy for more. I had to ask, what's your secret? That's when he told me about the pineapple trick. He owns a nightclub, and the guys who work for him use this simple 15-second hack every night to stay ready for 3, 4, even 5 rounds without losing power. Turns out this isn't just some random tip. It was actually discovered by top scientists and has been proven to increase blood flow by 300% in over 100,000 men. Even adult film stars are using it to get harder, thicker, and last longer without pills, without pumps, and without embarrassing doctor visits. Just grab 2 simple ingredients from your kitchen and you're good to go. But here's the thing, a lot of guys got the recipe wrong or didn't get the same results. That's why they created something even better, a more potent and effective formula called Nitrox Pro. 100% natural and even more powerful. But listen, the stock is running out fast, so if you want guaranteed results, click the first link in the description now before it's too late.